Okay. Hi guys, this is Elise and I am here with the video. I wanted to share with you this wonderful swap package that I got from Tina Holmes here on YouTube and Instagram. Her Instagram and YouTube is Tell Him Thank You, and I will put the link to both of her Instagram and as well as her her YouTube in the description box below. You guys go check her out and send her some crafty love. About 3 months ago, I guess it's been 3 months, Tina had sent me a note asking me to swap with her. She wanted to swap one of the little file folder packages that Christina Betts did a tutorial on how to make these on her channel, and I'll put that link as well in the description box below. But Tina asked me if I wanted to swap, and I said yes, but I needed her to give me a little bit of time because I was getting ready to move, and then I had some other things happen in my life and I wasn't able to swap with her right away. So, but we finally got to swap. She did a video showing the swap that I sent her, so you guys can go check that out. And then this is what she sent me. I already opened it. I did not open the package, but look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. I had to peek. Tina, this is beautiful. I love it. I love her collaging. I just love it, guys. You guys know I love to collage in my journal and on just nail art and just different things. So you guys go check out Tina's channel because I love it. Okay, so here's the back, and she put blessings and she signed her name there. She used some washi tape, but look at the front, guys. Oh my gosh. So cute. I just love every little detail that you added to this pocket. I love it. So let's start over here on this side. I think this is one of those delusion stickers, and she colored that in. She added a couple of other pieces, I think, from that delusion set. I'm almost sure that these are from there. And then she's got some washi sticker, like a vellum sticker here. And then she's got this washi tape here, all kinds of washies. Here's a little puffy heart. And she's got a butterfly here. Girls just want to have fun. And she's got the word laugh that looks like Heidi Swap. I absolutely love this, Tina. And the way this pocket was made with a file folder, and it was made so that you can expand and just stuff all kinds of goodies inside. So you can see how this opens on the side to give you a little bit more space, and she sure did stuff it. So I see some wonderful goodies sticking right up out the top. So let me show you what she added inside. Look at that, guys. One more look. So cute. Tina, I absolutely love it, and this is going to go in my craft room on display. I absolutely love it. So let's see what she added inside. Okay. I'm going to put this over to the side. And in the inside, she added some pretty patterned paper. That striped patterned paper. Okay, so let's put that here. Put it where you guys can still see it, okay? There we go. Okay, so first of all, she added these tags. And it looks like she stamped these tags and did some punching with some edge punches. Love these. I'm going to definitely be using these in my journal. These are fabulous. I love those. Thank you very much. Then she added these photos. These look like photo booth photos. And I think these probably are Tim Holtz, I think. I'm not sure, but look at those. Okay, so I'm going to be adding those to my journal. And then she added this beautiful bling sticker that says vacation. Love that. I need a vacation, guys. I could use a vacation. And then she gave me a sampling of some washies. I love that. And actually, I don't think I may have this one, these two right here. But I don't think I have any of these, Tina. So these are fantastic. So there's some new washies that I can play with. And then she gave me this die cut. And this is probably Tim Holtz. I don't have this set, because this is my first time seeing this. And I have a lot of these cutouts. And this is the first time seeing this one. So thank you, Tina, for that one. And then she added some Bow Bunny cutouts. And here are the ones that are in the package. These are really, really pretty. Really pretty. So I tell you guys, I love going to Tuesday morning because you can find just like die cut packs and ephemeral packs, and you don't have to buy the whole collection. And I love using those, just those pieces in my journals. So, and then she has a little baggie here with some gold and pink die cut pieces. Really, really pretty. I love these. Thank you very much. Okay, and then here is a cute, it says just a note. So, so this little note, okay, I'll read this. That's a little note to me. I'll read that off camera. Thank you so much, Tina. And then here are some more little little bits and bobs and bits and pieces. Let's see what's in here. See if I can open it. Wait a minute. Sorry about the crinkling, guys. I know some of you guys don't like that crinkling sound. I happen to be one that it doesn't bother. Oh, here's a cute little ticket. And then here is a little girl stamp. I think I may, do I have this stamp? I may actually have some of these. Did you shrink these down, Tina? Because I actually have a larger version of these stamps. I believe I have a couple of these maybe. This is picket fence, I think. And they're smaller, so maybe she shrunk these down. Really cute. Oh, I love these. Look at these little Rolodex. And I actually would love to start doing Rolodex, like Rolodex cards. And I absolutely love these tiny little tickets. Where did you get these? I love these. I love those. That looks like that came off of maybe you cut that from a larger piece of paper. I love those. And then she's got some smaller library cards and these smaller guest checks. I love these. Did you shrink these down? Or is that I think that's maybe you cut those or cut apart from a larger piece. Love those smaller ones. Absolutely love those. Tell me where you got those, Tina. Okay, and then she has some other, this looks like a little bag of flowers. And I'm thinking, let's see, this looks like, is this graphic 45? I'm not sure. These are pieces to make flowers. There's little tags. There's little flag pieces. All kinds of little pieces that I can create a beautiful page with, or card, or whatever I want to do. Okay, so thank you for those. And then she added these, here's a couple more little pieces. Then she added these. These are really cute. I love these. These recollections bowls. These would be great for Halloween projects. I can use these now. So I'll be using those. Thank you. And then she also added these color box, these flowers. Really, really cute. I love the colors in there. So thank you so much for everything, Tina. Thank you for swapping with me. But more importantly, thank you so much for being patient, because you waited a while and very patiently with me to complete this swap. And I absolutely love, love, love my little folder here. I absolutely love it. And I'm going to put this in my room, and it's just going to fit right in with my craft room. So thank you so much. And thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.